Honeycrisp Apple-Cranberry Conserve. That's what I'm canning today, and it's so good for the holidays. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be canning something, and it's Honeycrisp Apple-Cranberry Conserve. I use it in place of cranberry sauce for my dressing and turkey and all of that good stuff. It's got dried cranberries, Honeycrisp apples, pecans. It is delicious. So I'm going to show you how to can it. It's very easy. So if you like recipes and content like this, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright. I've had my water boiling for a little while here in my canner, and I'm going to sterilize my jars while I do get my stuff ready. Now it says it calls for 3 half pints, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to do a couple of pints. Sometimes it'll use more, sometimes you use less. I'm just going to drop these in the bowl of water. I need to combine the first 3 ingredients into a stainless steel boiler. And you just about anytime you do any kind of preserves, canning and stuff, you don't want aluminum or anything. It'll make your stuff taste funny. You want to use stainless steel. So I need 2½ cups of finely chopped unpeeled apples. So that's one good thing, you don't have to peel the apples. And it's Honeycrisp apples, and that's one of my favorite apples anyway. I need 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And in this, the bottle's just fine because it's consistent. And I need to add 1/4 cup of water to that also. So now I've got 2 1/4 cups of Honeycrisp apples chopped finely. I've got 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you want this on medium-high heat. And I need to add my pectin. And I'm just using the Kroger brand. It's just as good. You can get Sure-Jel. And now I want to stir this well and bring it to a boil. And I want to stir it constantly also. Okay. Now I want to add 2 3/4 cups of sugar, and I want to bring it back to a boil. Alright, it's starting to boil, and now I need to boil it for 1 minute without stirring it. So I'll be back. Alright, it's been a minute. And now I just want to remove this and let it sit for a minute. Okay. I've got my flap. I got my water heating for the flaps. Took my jars out of the water. And now I'm going to fill them up to see how many flaps I need. You can reuse your rings, but you cannot reuse your flaps. Just fill your jars. About there. Get another one. Okay. This will probably be all I need here. And I'll probably just put it in the refrigerator because I'm having baked chicken today and it will go wonderful with baked chicken. Alright, I'm going to need 3 flaps because this one I'm just going to put a lid on and put it in the refrigerator. Clean rag, wipe around the edges. we just add our ring. You don't want to over tighten it either. We just set it in our canner. And we'll process it for 5 minutes, and all that means is to boil. Drop it in. Put on the lid. And I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright, our 5 minutes has been up. Sorry, I put this lunch. I'm just going to take them out. My arm's still not 100%. We just set them out. And we just let them sit undisturbed for 24 hours. So all we have to do is wait. Hopefully they'll seal. And here they are. And it was wonderful for lunch yesterday. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So until next time, everybody. Bye, y'all.